Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks again for tuning in. This is Sharif at SS Customs. And right now we're working on this Range Rover Evoque convertible. I haven't really seen one of these up close until now. And the color we're doing is actually a color flow, color by Avery Dennison. It's a chameleon color. And chameleon colors, you don't really see them as often up until the vinyl wrap world really came out. There were two manufacturers, from what I can remember, that did it from the factory. You have Ford doing it on the Terminator called the Chrome. This color right here is a color called Rushing Riptide by Avery Dennison. It's a color flow. This comes in a satin and a gloss finish. This is satin right now, and it's got this kind of like purple, blue, teal kind of hue as you walk around the vehicle, which you'll check out in this video coming up. And we're doing a full color change on it, ceramic coating, and we're gonna wrap the inner jambs and a few other little mods here and there. Check it out. Let us know what you guys think about chameleon wraps. They're in to stay, they're going out. Give us your thoughts in the comments below.
I don't know how to put back here and there. Portuguese? And speak in Portuguese for our Portuguese prospective clients. I want to see how you guys subtitle this. Esse é um carro branco, uma Range Rover branca. A gente tá fazendo esse wrap aqui, esse envelopamento, essa cor camaleão.